was a boy who walked alone down dusty roads he'd always known. Head hung low, hands in his jeans, chasing half-forgotten dreams. They said he'd never go too far, just another kid with a crooked start. But deep inside, a quiet flame was waiting for a spark of change. Years rolled on like the turning tide, hard work etched in the lines of life. Every fall and every stand built the strength in these two hands. Through broken nights and rising sun, through every mile that had to be run, the boy kept walking through the storm, slowly finding his own form. Now I see the man in the mirror, standing stronger year by year. All the doubts and all the scars brought me right to where we are. I finally see what life delivers, the truth that time could not conceal. The boy I was and the man I've grown are stronger than I ever dreamed. Not every road was paved in gold. Some were rough and bitter cold, but every step along the way carved the path beneath my feet today. And somewhere back in yesterday, a boy who felt he lost his way would never guess what man he'd be. If only he could stand here and see. Now I see the man in the mirror, standing stronger year by year. All the doubts and all the scars brought me right to where we are. I finally see what life delivers, the truth that time could not conceal. The boy I was and the man I've grown were stronger than I ever dreamed. So if you're that kid with lowered eyes, feeling small in a world so wide, just hold on tight and don't let go. You're stronger than you even know. Now I see the man in the mirror, clearer now than ever before. Every struggle, every tear built the man I'm standing for. And the boy inside still whispers, you made it farther than you feared. And I thank that stubborn dreamer every time I face the mirror.